In today's video, I'll show you how to connect QuickBooks to Clover step by step. This setup helps you automatically sync your sales data and makes managing your business finances much easier. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. If you have multiple companies, select the company file where you want to connect Clover. Once you reach the dashboard, look for the Integrations or Apps section. This is where you can connect QuickBooks with other business tools. Next, choose the option to find or search for integrations. In the search box, type Clover and press Enter. You should see an integration option that connects Clover with QuickBooks. Click on the Clover integration to open the details page. Here you can learn how the connection works and what kind of data will be synced between the two systems. Before continuing, review the available plans and choose the one that matches your business needs. After selecting a plan, continue with the setup process. Follow the instructions on the screen to link your Clover account with QuickBooks. You may need to sign into your Clover account and allow permission so the two systems can communicate with each other. Once the setup is complete, your Clover transactions will start syncing with QuickBooks automatically. This helps reduce manual work, prevents mistakes, and keeps your records up to date. After connecting, it's a good idea to check your transactions in QuickBooks to make sure everything is syncing correctly. And that's how you connect QuickBooks to Clover. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.